Hello everyone, let me ask you one simple question. When company decide to do layoff, which type of people becomes the part of it? The freshers? The big bosses? No. The answer is these are the people between the age of 35 and the 45. Because these people have experience but they don't have authority or the power to stay sustained. So these people are usually the team leaders, the managers and people between the 10 to 20 years of experience because they are more costly than the fresher and they are not as much protected compared to top leaders. So these people become the easy target for the part of the layoff. So in this video, I am going to tell you something really important, that why companies not hire 40 plus people and why they prefer to hire fresh talent and what are the pros and cons to hire fresh talent. So the question is that why company don't hire 40 plus people. So let me give you one example for that to explain this. Suppose you are looking for a job and you are going to attend the interview. You have everything, the skills that you're looking for, the salary expectation that you have already informed in advance. But after a few days, you come to know that an HR told you that you are not selected for this position. And you are going to ask the reason, that what's the reason, because HR will not going to say openly that because of the 40 plus we are not going to hire you, but instead you can hear something like that your salary expectation is too much high, our team is so much young, so you are not a cultural fit for our team. So this type of answer you might be heard from the HR. So this is the reason that why company don't hire the 40 plus people. So this type of experienced people lose opportunity just because company thinks that these people are mostly costly and risky. And this situation will create the gray zone. Let me explain the gray zone. These people are too much senior for the junior position and they are not that much senior for the senior position. And they are too much expensive for the startup and they are risky for the big organization. So in between, these people are stuck in these things. Slowly and gradually, these people become invisible in the job market. So as per the LinkedIn data, 60 out of 100 people have changed their profession to stay updated in the job market. They have changed their industry and 1 out of 3 people have changed their job because they don't see any kind of progress or growth in their current position. And this situation create a lot of problem for this type of people, but professionally and personally, they have to accept the low salary. Their confidence also decreases and their saving also finished. So they have to start small businesses, not by choice, but no one company is going to hire. So by pressure, they have to start business. So instead of hiring experienced candidate, why company prefer fresh talent? So there are so many reasons for that. Let's understand one by one. First, company thinks that they are cheaper compared to experienced people. Company prefer that these people are fast learner and they work for a long hours compared to experienced people. Other thing is that they don't question much compared to experienced candidates. So these are the reason that why company prefer fresh talent in compared to experienced people. But if the companies only focus on hiring the fresher talent, then might be risk associated with them. Definitely they are going to work harder and smarter, but there will be some risk. Their work will be fast, but decision will be weak. Mistakes happen again and again because no one is going to tell that we tried this before and we failed. If there are experienced person was there, they are definitely going to mentor them. They are provide guidance and support them so they can definitely replicate their mistakes and do better. Study shows that company who investing and learning and training for the employee, they are making 20% more profit and they are keeping employees for a longer time. And the company who lose these experienced people, they lose the knowledge, they lose the mentorship and they lose the future leader.